Okay, I'm back, and I haven't recorded a video in a long time. I think since December, the end of December, I haven't recorded a video. I had Zenfire as my data feed, and they went out of business basically. So I was without a data feed for a while through February, and when I got it back up, it was just a lot of different things going on, and I just kind of stopped recording. But I enjoy recording the progress, so I'm picking it back up, and my intent is to continue to record from here on out. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video and get it ready really quick. Alright, so today is February 13th, 2014. I'm not sure if I already told you that. And right now I have $1,983.27 in my account. Before, it would show the account as something a little bit different. With my new connection, I'm still with my broker, but they changed up the format, so the account is they changed the way it looks with the new data feed. So let me go ahead and get started. First trade was at 9:42 and 06. So I put my trade ahead of the market, just waiting on it to get filled. So it got filled now, and put my stop at $80. My stop out is $80. My profit is $55. I want to get about $50 off this trade. So I got my stop at 80. When did I? 44.3. Let me go ahead and fast forward it because I have 8 trades that I took today. It did go against me almost about $60, and I have these little tabs up in strategic areas because I don't want to show too much information about my account. So it went almost down to one tick to stop me out. I would have been down $80, but it did turn back around and start moving back up and towards my favor. Let me fast forward a little bit. Went all the way back up. I decided to move my profit a little lower. I call these footprints. It went down here, and to me that means it's not it'll go back down there a lot easier than if it had never done that. So I just more or less just want to get out of this trade at this point and try another one. So I ended up just moving my profit down to one tick loss, and ended up down $5 minus one trade commission. The next trade was at 9:47. So let me fast forward it to 9:47. 6. Just looking at the time right here, time and sales window. It was at 9:47 and 35 seconds. So I'm getting ready to place my trade up here in front of the market. With NinjaTrader, you can place a trade in front of the market, but it's not with your broker. If this trade had been sent to my broker, it would have filled me at the best possible price, so I would have gotten filled. But I don't want to do that. I only want to get in the trade if it goes up here and touches this. So this trade is actually just sitting on my computer. Once it touches this spot, NinjaTrader will then submit the trade for me, and then it'll go to my broker. Most times I get filled. Sometimes it will pass me. I would say 90% of the time it will fill me, and so I'm filled now. It was just that quick. I'm gonna make this a $80 stop again, going for $55, and this trade I believe was a winner. So I'm gonna fast forward it through. It did go against me a little bit, but the market has been kind of going up and up and up. This was the first trade. I got out of it. It would have continued to go up, but this one I held on to it. So let me try to fast forward it because I only got 15 minutes. Started going in my favor. Let me go back a little bit. I went all the way up and adjusted my stops, and I'm just kind of hovering over it, thinking about moving my stop up a little more just to secure more profit. Right now it is 3 ticks, so that's $15 if it does come down and touch 36.19. I'm just kind of thinking about it. and it gave me my profit. So I was down $5. It gave me $55, leaving me with a balance of $50 minus 2 commissions. Let me go ahead and set up the next trade. I'm gonna pause it until okay, now here's the next trade, which happened at 10:30, and I'm going for a long trade. It's kind of like a pullback. I'm gonna risk 4 ticks or $20 in this trade. So it filled me, going for $50, only risking 4 ticks. Well, going for 55, but risking $20 on this trade, wanting it to go long. I jumped in this trade with a $50 balance minus 2 trade commissions, and this one stopped me out. So now I'm down $30. Where's the next trade? Okay, so let me find the next trade. It's at 10:55. Okay, so this one I'm going short, and this one is the, let me see, hold on. Nope. I'm gonna pause it for a minute because I think I got out of this one. This is not a trade. Let me pause it really quick. Okay, I'm back. The next trade was at 10:55. So that one I did. I was planning on getting a trade, but it canceled. So now I'm in this trade here, going long. Did I make any profit on this one? I think I made a little profit. I'm not sure. So we gotta let it play out. Yeah, I think I made just $5 on this one. So I got me on this trade. I have a $80 stop going for $55. I believe that it moved up, and I moved my stop to 1 tick and got stopped out at 1 tick. When it touches 8, it moves, well, 7, I think it is. It moves. I move my stop to -4, but I think I might have set it back. Yeah, I moved it back down to let it cook a little more. I'm at 40. 1 tick profit. Let's see what happens. I know it comes down and stops me out. Let's see. Move it back. Alright. So you can just see it stop me out. 8 minutes. And this is trade number 4. Okay, come on, stop me out, stop me out. There we go. So that trade just paid for itself basically, even though it's showing $35. So that was 4 trades, and so it's $35 minus 4 commissions. Let me pause this video and find the next trade, which is at 11:09. So okay, so now I'm back. This is a long trade that I'm jumping into. So I'm at $35. I'm going to risk 4 ticks on this trade. So I'm in it. And I think I get stopped out on this one. Yep. So I got stopped out, lost $20 minus the $5 commission. I'm gonna find the next trade. Alright, so here's the next trade. This is a short trade. I placed the order ahead of the market using NinjaTrader, and the order is sitting on my computer until it touches, and then it'll be submitted. So now it's submitted, it got filled. 80 tick stop, $55 profit target. I went ahead and put a my time in sales here so we can kind of see the time as well. I was in this trade from 11:27 to 11:35. So let me fast forward through this one. Went against me a little bit. Looks like it went against me almost $60. It went against me $50. So coming back down towards my profit. And I got out at $5. Let me go back and see why I did that. I don't think it gave me no profit. Okay, so here we are. Tell me that I get out. 11:35 and 54 seconds. Try to fast forward just a little bit. It was kind of taking too long for me. 11:28. And I wanted to just get out and let the trade pay for itself. I didn't want to risk losing $80 on this trade with it kind of being really sideways. So I just went ahead and moved it to one tick so it can pay for itself and I can get out of the trade. So should be happening in a minute here. Okay, so I'm out, up $20, and that is my 5th trade, my 6th trade. I got 2 more. How much time we got? Let me pause. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what happened with my recording. I think my software had a glitch in it, and somehow I ended up missing this trade right here. It was I didn't miss recording it. As you saw, it jumped from 12:45 or whatever to 1:22. I got in the trade at 1:17 and 49.25. I took $40 out of it. Did I miss something? I think I missed something. I took $40 out of this trade. Hold on. Let me pause it. Something don't seem right. Hold on. Okay, I see it's right. Yeah, this was my 11:35 trade. 11:27 trade, got out at 11:35, and then this was my 1:17 trade. Took $40. Is that 41, 2, 3, 4? No, I just took $20. That's what happened. Okay. Then I had one more trade. I took $20 out of this one. This was a short trade. I didn't have it recorded. Somehow I missed recording it. So let me pause the video and come back to the last trade. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so the last trade is happens at 1:40 and about 23 seconds. I set the trade in front of the market. This one actually shot right past me and it didn't feel me. So by the time I placed the order, it just missed me. So at this point, it was just waiting for it to come back down, and it did. That was one of those orders that sits on NinjaTrader. How much time we got? 13.5, 13:30. Okay, so this trade, how much did I get off of this one? I got $40 off of this one, and it lasted up until 1:44. So let me try to fast forward it. I'm going for, I think I got 52.25. Yeah, I moved my profit down to just get filled so I can get it over with. So it's at $80. Profit minus $8, 8 trades. So let me pause it real quick so I can add this up. How much time we got? 14:30. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so I had 8 trades, each one costing $4.34 times 8, $34.72. I'm just going to subtract from what I had in there, 1983.27. So, oops, I did that wrong. Hold on, let me pause it real quick. Okay, So I have $2,063.27. After $80, I have to subtract the commission. So minus 2063.27 equals. So I'm at $2,028.55. That's what's in my brokerage account. I'm over my time. Let me go ahead and stop this. Hopefully it will upload. I'm not supposed to go over 15 minutes. So see you guys tomorrow.